Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome in our introductory lecture of learning English. In this video, we will learn the basic sentence structure as how to start and how to make sentences. In sentence making, type 1 at the starting names of nouns or pronouns occur. This sentence structure is consisted of subject plus verb plus object. Now, one by one, we take these points with examples. Subject. Subject means one who works in a sentence, like Hina writes a letter. In this sentence, since Hina is working, so Hina is the subject. The second is verb. Verb means any work or action. When we do any work, that is a verb. Verbs show the time period of any action. Also, as the forms of verb indicate towards this matter in which time anything happened. Hina writes a letter. In this example, the word write is an example of verb. Read, write, think, sit, stand, all these are the examples of verbs. At the third point, we take object. Object means when work is being done on any object. Like Hina writes a letter. In this example, letter is the object on which work is being done. In type 2 sentences, verbs occur in the beginning. In other words, sentences starts from verb. Such type of sentences are called imperatives. These are order, request, or advice, like do your work, open your books, complete the assignment, respect your elders, please don't waste your time. So all these sentences start with verb. These are called imperatives. In type 3, the basic sentence structure converts into object, verb, and subject. Such examples are called passive voice, in which objects come at the beginning. So in this video, we have learned about three types of sentences. One is the basic sentence structure, subject, verb, object. And the second type is related to imperatives in which verbs occur at the start. And in third type, we have learnt about object, verb and subject structure. These are also called passive voice. Okay, I hope that this introductory lesson will help you to differentiate about the different kinds and different sentence structure. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.